Does your skin feel tight and look dull with exaggerated wrinkles? This means your skin lacks in water and is dehydrated. Does your skin feel rough and flaky? This may mean your skin is dry, lacks in oils and the necessary lipids it needs to maintain moisture and the lipid barrier. Beloved for its lightweight and moisturising texture, Pro Collagen Marine Cream is available in original and ultra-rich formulas. Original Pro Collagen Marine Cream is ideal for dehydrated skin noticing the first signs of aging. Pro Collagen Marine Cream Ultra Rich maintains a lightweight texture and is formulated with cocoa butter to deliver additional hydration for a drier skin when it needs it most. Whichever you choose, both absorb quickly and layer beautifully under makeup. Delivering clinically proven results, skin is hydrated, smooth and visibly more youthful.